Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox the Xbox. I'm a diehard PS5, PlayStation fan. Obviously, you know it's very difficult to get it in my hands right now. So this is the next best thing. Just looking at the box, pretty cool. Cool little design, 4K, 120 FPS, perfect, 1TB SSD. Series X. Nice. What's this? Halo, Power Your Dreams. Cool. Nice. Let's have a look what's inside the box. So, I did pull out the tabs. There we go. Nice. Power Your Dreams. Look at that presentation. That's amazing. Have a look. So, I think we pull this out. So that's the phone. Very cool. Let's get back to that. See what's in the box. Xbox, get started. Basic instructions. Oh, please tell me they included batteries. They better include the batteries for the remote. Let's have a look here. What's in here? So we got our plug here, HDMI ultra high speed, so that's probably 2.0 or 2.1, I don't know, something. Got here booklet. Don't know what that is. I guess that's it. Yeah, feels light, feels empty. The box is amazing. I mean, the presentation is amazing. Yes, they did include batteries. Let's have a look at the controller. Nice. That feels good. Best thing is this will work on the computer as well. So if you want to plug in, you know, connect that. That's good. Some AAA batteries over here. Perfect, let's have a look at the Xbox. Power Your Dreams. Let's get this to the side. There we go. Yeah, boy. My first, wow. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. It looks amazing. USB storage expansion pack right here. Got HDMI out, Ethernet port, 2 USB 3.3. Yeah, 3 I guess. Very heavy. Hello from Seattle. I don't know if you can see that. Hello from Seattle. Xbox. It's got some green. So when you tilt it, you see the green. If it's direct, you wouldn't completely avoid it. You can see the giant fan as well. Amazing. Perfect. And that's the controller. There we go. Xbox. Perfect. Leave a like, comment, subscribe guys, and I'll try and get some video clips of me playing with it and some screen share. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.